morning everyone. Today we are going to be continuing doing the micro camper conversion series. It's actually the last episode. We are going to be getting everything wrapped up on this van, and today the solars have turned up, so that's what we're going to be fitting. So the solars that we're fitting on today is the 195 watt bifacial solar panels by EcoWorthy, and here they are. It's a big boy, isn't it? Very big solar for a very small van. Again, we have probably gone way overboard with this setup, but there's going to be a lot of power.
We use Esim.sm to stay connected on the road. We especially love their global eSIM plan, which allows you to go from country to country, only paying for what you use. It helps us forget about the roaming. Use the code on the screen to help you save even more money. Let's get into the video.
If you're new to the channel, we've just done a conversion on a 2004 Renault Kangoo, and this is what it looks like so far. But there's 4 more videos on this micro camper conversion, so go check them out. So first things first, we are going to be fitting this solar panel, I think on the roof rack. I'm not 100% sure yet.
Should we try both options?
Yeah,
I'll put
I
it
think
on the
we
roof
should.
and I'll put it on the rack, and then we'll have a look.
Yeah, we'll see which one's better. Let's go.
Option 1.
So that is option 1 on top of the roof rack.
I don't know if that looks really like goofy.
No, but I don't know. I think it looks a little bit clean, don't you think?
You still got space as well to use the roof rack.
Yeah, you can put something on top of it.
All right,
and now
so
let's try it on the other side, underneath. I think you're going to have to show them this one because I am way too short to be putting it up there.
All right, or option 2, is it underneath the roof bars?
I'm not sure. I'm really not sure.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm a little confused as well because, to be honest, they both look good. You can still put stuff on it either way. So, I don't know.
All right, we'll be back. We've got some thinking.
let's have a little chat about it and we'll come back. We've come to a decision.
Why are you just coming like that?
We've come to a decision. So we are going to be putting them under the roof bars because obviously you've got like 280 amp hour battery. So that is pretty much enough to power everything that you've got in there for like a week, probably more. If you wanted to use the roof rack or put a roof box or something up there, then you've got the option to. Whereas if you put the solar panel on there, you don't really have enough room to do that. So that's what we're doing.
Right, now we know we're putting the solar panel. We're going to mount it first, but normally like the brackets that they give you on solar panels are really bulky, and we like the panels fitting as low to the van as possible. So what we're going to do is we'll use these 90 brackets, so we'll screw them in here. But instead of, this is how we normally fit, instead of having it this way around, we're gonna put them that way. So we're just gonna put it this way around so you don't see like the L bracket and the screws and the silicone and all that stuff.
Yeah, should look clean.
So yeah, let's do it. More brackets for your side.
Where are they?
I reckon this is gonna look so clean.
Oh my God, you know you want to go in. So now that we've got all of these in, we are going to put it on to the roof and mark out where the brackets are so that we can silicone them down and screw them in. Just need to find some screws first. Right. Needs to go In the middle. Further forwards.
Further forwards. Because we need to get that box, don't we?
Right here.
Just under 12, just under 12.
Just under 12.
Right, that'll do.
Perfect. Okay, you just want me to make a mark on each side.
Done?
Yep. So here are the masking tape bits that we put on, and that is basically going to be where we put our brackets. We have already screwed them onto here, so what we're going to do is unscrew them, put the brackets down where they need to go, screw them in, and then it should just nicely fit in.
Measurements are right.
Actually,
Should just slot straight
in
back
theory. Our favourite word.
Right, so that's it now. So screwed, siliconed, and then we got this butyl tape. That's it.
It's like waterproof Gorilla stuff. Patch and seal.
It's this butyl tape, I think it's similar, Gorilla.
I think it's called
But it's
Gorilla
really
Patch
good.
and Seal, yeah.
Just
Really good.
Tidies it up and make sure definitely no
Leaks happen.
leaks.
Anyone looking for solar panels that you can put on a hinge and still get solar, these are perfect because they're bifacial, they're transparent on the underneath, so you can get solar from the underside as well.
So that is my side done. Looks clean.
Now time for my side. Oh my God. You okay?
I was holding on to the side of that. Ow.
Okay.
I was holding on to the side of this and yeah, I didn't think about that one.
Quick tip, guys, if you're ever holding on to the side, just don't do it from that.
Here's Mara with a
Ooga
impact
dooga.
gun.
You tip is that you only want to do one ooga. There you go.
Yeah, it's definitely way too much, but it was the only tool that we could get extensions on to
Put these in.
actually get the screws in. Mara weren't about to be hand screwing it.
No. So there you go, there you have it. It's on nice and low, very stealthy. And all we have to do now is get the wires all hooked up to the electrical setup. We've got
Got to go through this first.
this thing.
So we're going to put this box here, somewhere like that. And then the two wires will go in, yeah, like Mara said, straight down. These go straight onto the Renogy DC to DC charger. So that takes care of the solar as well.
Yeah, perfect.
Simple.
Let's do it.
Mara with the scary roof cut.
Not an angle that I could be pushing down on. Now I'm in a better position. Oh, is the battery dead?
Yeah. Probably.
Got a new battery.
Oh, I thought you were losing that in the van.
Got it. What we're gonna have to do is get these wires down, all past there, into this bit here, across, and into
Into the best door ever.
Yeah. Wait, shall I open it again? 1 second. Clean.
Right, yeah, so we got to try and work that out. I might take this light out here, I think.
Yeah. Got that.
Should help.
We had some of this leftover U-trim, so Connor's glued it down.
I hate super glue, man.
And it gets
super
everywhere.
glue is like, as soon as you get it on you, it just goes everywhere. But that is, I went to touch it then straight away.
Perfect. Now what we're going to do is get this on, we're going to silicone it down, get the wires through, and hopefully have it like that or like that. We're not sure yet.
Like that. I know, I think it's meant to go that way.
But we're going to silicone it so much that water's not going to get through.
Water won't get through, it'll be fine. Mara's wrists right now got cut up because
So I put my hand through here so I could get the cables coming down, and I panicked and tried to yank it out.
kept getting scared that her hand was getting stuck in the hole, so she had to keep pulling it back out, and then now wounded. But what's happened anyway? Panic over.
Panic over. We got the wires through. I've pushed them through the other side. We're going to get the light on and run it across the top here into there.
Sweet. I just got to stick that down and we're good.
So there we have it. Everything's connected. So we can show you.
Got the van on. We're charging there 35 amps.
Sick. Oh, that is amazing. So that is it. The electrics are all set up, solar panels in. That is everything we are doing to this van now. We are done for today, but we are going to come back tomorrow. We're going to get this van MOT'd and a few little bits done. It is really amazing because we've sold about 53% of the tickets. That is over half of the tickets sold now. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for all your support and your kind messages as well. I can't wait to give this van away. It's going to be so exciting to see the look on someone's face when they realise that they won this van. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Did you just
This
spit?
is how we're getting. This is how we're getting the shot, guys. Good morning, everyone. We are running a little bit late today. We literally have an hour until the MOT, and we are going to wash this van. So we're going to put you on a time lapse because if you look good, you feel good, and if you feel good, you pass MOTs.
This is going to be the shiniest Kangoo. Mara just emptied the whole bottle of car shampoo.
I didn't know you said the whole bottle, so I poured it in, but I didn't know you were joking.
It's going to be shining.
Here we go, taking it for its first MOT. Super excited.
I could get used to this automatic life.
Oh, you know what? Driving this back was so nice.
I haven't driven it.
How does it feel?
Feels good.
Let's go. Making sure it's the right one. Getting that Shell V-Power in.
This bird over here does not stop mucking up the
I'm trying to do an outro here, guys.
mucking up the outro.
Literally. Well, the van has passed its MOT and that marks the end of the micro camper conversion. So if you guys want to buy your tickets, the link is going to be on the screen here and down in the description. But we are still going to be doing some van content. Over the next 2 weeks, we are doing some van upgrades on our van before we head out into Turkey to wrap up the year.
Chasing that sun.
Literally. But yeah, the trip to Turkey is going to wrap up the year nicely, but we are going to be coming back in January and doing more van content. So if you like the van content and van builds, stick around because we are going to be doing those in between our travel trips. But yeah, it's crazy. Almost ready to give this away. We've got 2 weeks left and we've got just under half the tickets remaining. That back.
That's the last look. Last look at the van now. We've got 3 videos upgrading our van. One of them, or 2 of them are going to be good. We're like
really excited for them.
Lifting the van, could we say lifting?
Yeah.
So we're lifting the van and then we're looking at some all-terrain tyres for it as well. Slightly bigger ones as well. We want it raised a little bit.
It's going to be good.
So yeah, that's fun. And then Mara's got her exciting upgrades for the van.
Yeah.
The next like week or 2 of videos, or maybe even 3 weeks, might be a bit random because we got like so many different things going on. We're just trying to wrap everything up before we go traveling. They could be some random videos whilst we're getting everything sorted. We've got some boring stuff off camera as well. We want to be traveling first week of October.
Yeah.
We'll see how that goes.
Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. We're not stuck in the rain here.
No, I know.
But yeah, that's about it for the video. We are going to catch you guys on the next one where we'll be doing upgrades to our van. So yeah, see you guys on the next one and good luck to everyone who enters. Bye.